Hello my friends, how are you today? Afmat Iwaran aniga alhamdulillah. Today, Manta, I'm going to teach you sound O and sound open A. That is pot ashunwae dot diba cot or bed sarirwae fox warabe cow lo dog ay hot kulel go bahwae log get rot urwae, that's something that smells. Toy or doll, we call it bambalo. And job shehwae box carton joy frahat wae, when you are happy. Up korwae then open A, that is up kor. Cat chercher, but the other one cat with open A is nyanyurwae. Fan, this is open A hiari, but the other one fan with A for apple, that is murahatwae. Then gun is bistola or bisto. Then jug is karafo, the one you use to take water or maybe tea. Then we have mud, we call it diho, hashing on the road or jidwae. Then we have put, when you put something somewhere you say dick. Then mom, it's hoyo. Rag mahawaye rag tiritiro, the rag that you use to clean somewhere, we call it tiritiro. Then we have bus, we call it bus or baur. Then sun, khorach, not sun with the O, which is will, but sun with open A, which is khorach. Then we have run is orot. Thank you for watching, and thank you for those who are giving comments, and thank you for those who like me. I like you too. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.